Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to unblock someone in Instagram. So let's get started. I will show you methods of doing it. Open Instagram app on your iPhone. Then click on the bottom search button. After this, search for the person you want to unblock. Once you have found it, click on it. Now you can see the unblock button, click on it. It will show you a confirmation button, click on unblock. Now go to home. Then go to your profile by clicking on the bottom right profile button. After this, click on the top right 3 lines option. Then swipe down to who can see your content section. After this, click on blocking. Now you can see the accounts you have blocked. Click on the unblock button on the right side of the person you want to unblock. After this, click on the unblock button to unblock that person. And that's how you unblock someone on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.